Good morning, students. So today from standard 8 English medium, chapter number 10. Which chapter? Chapter number 10 in grammar. Here, see, what is the chapter name? Chapter name is perfect tenses. I have discussed with you the perfect tense, present perfect tense. Now here in the page number 7, page number 87, here given the difference between simple past and present perfect. I have already taught this both tense, simple past before and present perfect in this chapter. So what is the difference between these two? So in the simple past tense, in which tense? Simple past tense. Simple past tense. The action at the time of speaking, the action would completed in the past, that was not going further. Okay, what the action was completely done in the past. Okay, so this is the simple past tense. And at the present perfect tense, the action at the time of speaking, the action would completed in the past, but some relevance to the connection with the present, that is the present perfect tense. Okay, in the simple past tense we use the structure with subject plus past verb, then object plus other word. But in the present perfect, what we use? Subject plus have or has, then past participle, then object plus other word. Okay, so this is the structure and difference between these two. So here in the present perfect, that present perfect tense is used to emphasize the significance of the past event in the present of the speaker. Okay, so the two stresses of the past event here use both the past event of meeting someone's brother, the time of the exact meeting happened, it not the importance here. So in the present perfect tense, the action would completed in the past, but that relevance connection with the present. Okay, here already mentioned. See here the action completed, time of the speaking, the action completed in the past, and connection with the present, that is the present perfect tense. So what we use in the simple past tense? We use the past form, main verb, not but the past form of the verb. And in the present perfect, use the past participle. Okay, this is the difference. So here given the exercise, complete the following sentences with the correct form of the verb given in the bracket. So we identify whether the sentences are from the simple past tense or present perfect tense. Okay, let's see. In the first blank, Julie dash last night. See here given the word last night, NIGST, last night. Okay, so last night the action would be completed. So this sentence is simple past tense, so the verb is given in present form, arrived. So what we do? Only we add D. So the answer of the first blank is arrived. What? Arrived. Now comes to the second sentence. It was raining. See here using it was raining when she blank. This is the past continuous form of the verb here using was and raining. Okay, it was raining. The raining was continuing. When she, here given the come. So use what? came. When she came, there the raining would not stop, continue raining. So here use the verb came. It's a simple past tense. Use it. Now number third, I blank this film thrice. Here, see here what you use, thrice. First time he had seen, second time and thrice. But next time means the fourth time also would be seen. So this tense is not going to be the simple past tense. It is use this blank as present perfect tense. So here use I. In the third one use I. With the I what we use, have. Then the verb given watch. So watch change into watched. Okay. Past participle here use. So third answer is have and watched. Then number 4, Rajesh blank a salesperson before he blank an actor. So here use be form. Rajesh, then here use what, before he blank an actor. So here what, he here use only simple past. But here use what, use Rajesh, then we use not have. Here use had and been. Be verb of past participle is been, had been. Why? Because here use the both past event. That is why here use had. Okay. Then he become change into became. Become change into became. So the answer is Rajesh had been a salesman before he became an actor. Okay. Then next is here fifth number, my dog blank one of its legs. My dog blank. Not only first time he had done it, but next time also he had done. So here what we use, present perfect. So my dog is singular, so here use has, then break change into broken. Has broken. That is the answer. Then next number 6, I blank, here given never be in the bracket, to Darjeeling before. Here use the word before. Okay. Here use what, never and be in the number 6. So what, I, then use have, then use never. Okay. Never, then be change into been. Have never been. Why? Because going to Darjeeling before, next time in the future also enjoying to go there. So have been, have never been. Number 6 answer. Then comes to number 7. How long you blank here? How long you blank here? Here use to be form. So in the 7 same. Here use what? How long you have been, or in the bracket you use have you been. Okay, have been. How long you, or how long have you been here. Okay, this you put here. Have you been here? Then number 8, Mr. Patwardhan blank several great documentary films. In number 8, this documentary films he had made it. Then in the present continue he had made. Then in the future also he has done it. So in number 8 also the present perfect tense is used. So has and made, you write it. Then number 9, Jaggu blank the jackpot last Christmas. Here use the last Christmas. So here use the win. So in number 9, what is the answer? Only you use won. It's a simple present tense. Now number 10. In number 10 what comes? Basir blank Jaggu since his childhood. This since and for use in the present perfect or this tense. Present perfect continuous tense this use. So okay. So Basir blank Jaggu since his childhood. Since his childhood. Here childhood. he know. In the present already he know, in the future also he knew. So use which tense? Present perfect. So here Basir, then write has, then know here written, so no change into known. What? Known. So has known is the answer number 10. So friends, I hope you understand about this difference between the simple present and present perfect, and write this exercise in your notebook. Thank you.